I'm Lois Sonstegard, and I'm here with Jolie. We are here because we've developed this channel for you. It's called Coaching Business Initiator, and we are so excited about it. Let me tell you why. We developed this because each of us came with a different coaching experience. For me, I'll share my experience. Joe can share his. I had this incredible wealth of knowledge and expertise. I was trained and certified in just about every important format of coaching, and I thought I had an awful lot to offer organizations and people, and I did. The problem was that I didn't have a way to share with the world what it is that I could offer, and if people don't know you exist, guess what? They don't come to you. And so I had to start really learning, hunkering down and learning the minute details of marketing. And in today's world, digital marketing is the primary marketing process. So if you don't know digital marketing, you're not going to make it. And so I entered that world, and I started joining mastermind groups and getting immersed in all these different avenues of digital marketing. And pretty soon I was like that person that was running down the road. Somebody was throwing books at me. I was picking them up as fast as I could, reading them while I was running, still moving as fast as I could. And somebody yelled, yeah, but that's not the right way. You need to do this first. And I'd run over there, learn how to do that. And then I come running back, and more stuff would get thrown at me. And then somebody else would say, yeah, but you know what? This is really what needed to be done first. And you go, really? And so you go learn that, and you come back, and pretty soon I'm flat on my face because I am absolutely inundated with information and material, and I've got to sort through it all and figure out what makes sense. And that is kind of, I think, the journey of many people. And I thought it doesn't need to be that way. And so this whole channel, what we've got to offer you, is a solution for that. We don't think other coaches should have to go through what we've learned. And so this is our opportunity to share what we've learned so you can be really successful without all of that miserable frustration and overwhelm that we've gone through. So Joe, what's your experience?
It's not a lot different than yours, Lois. It's I can just think back to when I got started and just looking at the investment of what am I going to have to invest in next? I remember sitting in front of my laptop and popping my laptop open in the morning for days on end, and everything I'd done the night before was just gone. It was just like, seriously, what? Yeah. Okay, maybe this is the platform I need to be on. And switching platforms and trying another one, and that one not working, and just being too much. I mean, there's just so much digital confusion out there. And then, like you said, you start listening to somebody, and you're okay. I need to be on their podcast. I need to be on their YouTube channel. I need to be on whatever their platform they're talking to you about. And then this other voice pops in and says, "Wait. But they didn't talk to you about maybe it's organic growth, or maybe it's paid Facebook ads, or maybe it's, oh, that's not the channel you need to be on. You need to be over on LinkedIn." Well, how do you sort through that stuff? How do you figure out this is who I want to work with? This is the message I have for the world. What platform? Wait, what? TikTok? Should I be on TikTok? I mean, that's the new thing. And they're just starting to take certain types of ads now, and you can put links in bio. Wait, do I need to be there, or do I need to be on LinkedIn? Or wait, do I need to be on YouTube because YouTube has search capability? Or do I need to be on Facebook because people are networked on Facebook? Yeah. So much overwhelmed. And that's just the social media side. That's not talking about what's my CRM look like? How do I integrate my autoresponder into my website builder it's just too much. There's just so much chaos and so much confusion out there. And honestly, a lot of sleepless nights as I was trying to craft the message so that I could support my family. It's not like it's Joe doing this and I'm by myself. There's a family behind me. There's 6 of us that are, I'm trying to support and all this stuff. And so I had to figure some things out. And at the end of the day, the Coaching Business Initiator is a distillation of all the mistakes and the investments and the books and the program, the hours and hours and hours in front of YouTube studying these programs so that we could bring our business to the online community. Because at the end of the day, we want to move out of the Stone Age and move into the digital age. And that's what we know that the Coaching Business Initiator is going to be able to help you do as well. So we are just super excited to talk about the Coaching Business Initiator. And we want to share as much as we can. That's why this channel's here, is because we've learned a lot of things over the years that we know are going to help you to speed up this process so that you can live the life that you're looking for. Because at the end of the day, we're doing what we do so that we can help others and so that we can have the freedom in life that we're looking for. So super excited to be talking to you about this today.
Yeah, we really want you to be successful. That's our goal. We're not in competition with you. I want to be real clear about that. I believe in connections and really growth or mutually growing. And so we really want you to be successful. And everything we do is geared with that purpose in mind. And so we're going to have fun bringing all sorts of things to you. Everything we've learned, we'll try and package it so it makes some sense. It has a context that it fits in so you can actually use it. And we have some other really exciting, wonderful ideas that we can't wait to share with you. So go down below, like us, comment on what you think about what we're doing, subscribe to us, and we can't wait to provide as much as we can that will help you.